Hello and welcome. My name's Chloe Potter, and this is a stress relieving meditation for inner ego. So let's get started. I want you to find somewhere in your home or in your office or work where you can lie down on the floor. It doesn't matter where it is, if it's on carpet or concrete. Just find a space that you can lay down with your arms long, your legs long, and chuck off your shoes and get comfortable. Take a moment to really feel the weight of your body sinking into the ground. Just lie there for a moment, noticing if you feel any tension in your body, focusing back on your breath. Noticing the inhalation and the exhalation, and then really paying attention to what your mind's doing. Are you feeling overwhelmed? Are there 100 different thoughts going through your mind? In the next 10 minutes, we're going to take them all away. You're going to feel completely relaxed, and we're going to take some of that pressure off. Firstly, let's get started with your body. So lying on that surface, I want you to think about the ground underneath you. Think about it holding you up, that it's supporting you, that you feel comfort from that support. You almost feel as if the ground underneath you is pressing and supporting back into your body, as if you are sinking into the floor. Notice for a moment, now that you're lying down and relaxed, how heavy your muscles and bones feel. Feel the back of the head sinking into the floor, the shoulders, hips, and legs relaxing into the ground. Notice the feet turned out from the hips and the palms turned out from the shoulders. Focus for a moment on your jaw. Gently let the mouth open and sink back into the skull. Allow the eye sockets to be soft. And starting at the top of the neck, imagine each vertebra, each part of the spine, relaxing, releasing into the ground. Think about the back of the hips, heavy. Think about the fingers and toes soft. Take another giant breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension you might be feeling from the chest and stomach. Take another giant breath in. As you exhale, pushing all the air out of the lungs, feel the body sinking deeper and deeper into the ground. I want you to imagine that the floor beneath you is almost like a giant sponge, and it's drawing you into the ground. Next, I want you to focus back on your breath. Notice the inhalation and the exhalation. Notice as you inhale, the chest rising, and as you exhale, the chest falling. Really focus on that breath in and the breath out, slowing it down, letting it be soft, and feeling more and more comfortable each time you exhale. Now noticing your mind. Notice any thoughts going through. You might have some worries or some tension. There's a lot going on in the world at the moment, and it's understandable. Give yourself a break. allow yourself to let go. And just remember, if you give yourself this mini little break to reset, you'll have more time and space in your mind to think about things more clearly. A rested decision is a much better decision made, and you'll be clearer and more focused. So take it easy on yourself and let those thoughts go. Notice them coming in one by one into your mind, and as you see them in your mind's eye, let them go, acknowledge them, but allow them to leave. Really focusing back on the breath, the inhalation and the exhalation. Take a few moments to now notice the music playing. Feel it vibrating through your body. Notice it relaxing the muscles and the bones. This music is a 432 Hz deep healing meditation for stress and anxiety and repair. And I've got it playing in the background to give you that added extra relaxation. We're now going to do a little bit of pranayama or breath work to really relax the central nervous system, which is your brain and spine. And this will in turn help to relax your mind, your body. It'll help you to oxygenate your blood better, release anxiety and stress, and help you to breathe deeper, which also helps with oxygenation and repair. So take a deep breath in, exhale all the air from the lungs, and you're going to inhale for a whole count of 5. So inhaling for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're just going to go to a normal breath now. In through the nose, out through the nose. And just allow that breath to be slower now. Relaxed and just light. Take a few moments to reassess the body. Notice if you're still holding tension anywhere. Take a giant breath in. Exhale any tension you might be feeling. I'm just going to now lay there for a few moments in silence, feeling relaxed. I'll be with you in a moment. Wiggling your fingers and toes now, bringing your awareness back to the space, back into the room surrounding you. You're slowly going to bend the knees to your chest and roll to your right.